Yo. I low-key forgot to film an intro, but I found too much fire this week, so it don't even matter. Let's just get into it. Let's go! Alright, so I just came up on these, the Nike Racers, ringing them up right now. $9.99. Then the Oreo Jordan 4s. Crazy, so that's 10.5, 35. See the tag right here. Crazy, they got these right here too. These are the Reeboks that Yao Ming wore in the Olympics. I forgot what year. But you see right there, it's like a YM logo right there. Size 10.5. This is pretty crazy. I don't know if I want to get them though. The last one I saw on eBay is brand new. It went for $170. I don't know how much they're asking for these. How much are these? Let's go! And your boy found a parking spot right before his event. And it's in the shade. And I found the J's. And I found the Flying Racers. Flying It Racers. Oh my god. That's why you never know. And I was just talking about this. Richie, if you're watching, shout out to you. I was just talking to you about like, man, that's the one shoe I regret selling. Because the Oreos were one of my favorites. And it's like a classic shoe for me. And I found them in my size for $34. Let's go, baby. I think these are fake right here. I looked at the tag and they're pretty cracked on like the patent leather, but still pretty crazy. Yeah, wish they were real. This Lauren by Ralph Lauren side bag is pretty fire. I wish I had a horse on it. But the details are pretty crazy. Found this vintage Nike side bag right here. It's a little dirty. Then I found this pair of swimming trunks. These are pretty fire. Vintage Nike for $5. See the logo right there? Probably gonna scoop these. Yo, look at these. Seattle Supersonics, Kevin Durant, 2007 rookie year. This was his shoe. I might pick these up. I've never seen these in black. I've seen the yellow one. So I'm not 100% sure. And then I found this right here. This bootleg Guess tee. And then this I haven't found in a while. I just found a Palace tee, see right there, 99 cents. You see the neck right there and then the big screen print in the back. For sure picking this up. We'll do more research on this one. Sorry, I just burped. We'll do more research on this one and we'll see if I pick this one up. These are hard. Yo, this is ridiculous. Look at these Zara joggers. $34.99. Look at the retail. Come on, this is a thrift store, yo. Crazy piece right here for $8. Vintage Brooklyn Dodgers tee with the patch. Look at that. 1991. Crazy. Just found this Ibisu hoodie right here. Pretty cool little button detail. But look what I just found in the bag section. Holy shit, dude. This is a vintage Gucci suit bag. And it's actually in pretty good condition. Asking for $35. Let me show you guys the inside. You can see right there it's got the YKK zips. And then you see the inside right here. Dude. Crazy. They got these two pairs right here. I'm using my phone right now. Size 12. Air Max 270. These in the white. Still in pretty good condition. These are pretty easy to clean. Then they have these right here, but probably gonna leave these. I'm just gonna pick up these white ones right here. Ask her for $35. Just see right there. New York Rangers vintage tee, super thin. You see the single stitch. The wear on this is crazy. For sure scooping this. The neck is a little big, but it's still gonna be enough. Found this Public Enemy tee on our Delta. Full weight tag, and then you see on the back, it's got the Public Enemy right there. Probably gonna pick this one up. Yo! Hold up. I'm so hyped that I just found that. Crazy! Why am I so red though? It's all good. Yo. That's insane. That's the first vintage Gucci, real vintage Gucci that I have ever come across. Ever. And I'm going to a wedding on Thursday. Put my suit in that bag. Woo! Time to hit the gym. Get that pump in. Let's go. Peace. Yo, this vintage San Francisco tee is so fire. I don't know what that says. Does that say San Francisco? This is so clean. It's a vintage one on Screen Stars. And I found this right here. So hard. It's a vintage Nike hat. You see the logo right there. Strap back. I don't know if it has a logo on the back on the top. Let me see. No, just plain. Yo, this is so clean though. So simple. Just Nike USA. And then right here I found 2 ties. I have a wedding to go to today actually. And I'm going for like a pink tie because my sunglasses are gonna be pink. I might have to go with this one. This one's super clean. Let's go with this one. Another one of these bootleg Louis Vuitton hat. The strap is cool in the back. It's pretty clean. Hold up. Let that clear out. I'm asking for 14 though. We'll see. I'm probably still gonna scoop this. Oh wait, it's got some like tearing right there. Ugh. We'll see. Yo, LeBron already in the Thrift. Look at this Supreme S logo hoodie. Super fake. Crazy though. This is so fire. It's a Mark Buchanan Pele button down. Dude, the print is crazy. For sure picking up for their personal. Some of these have gone for like 50, 60 on eBay. It just has to have a crazy print. Just look up the brand and y'all will know. Yo, I just found so many pieces. Look at this vintage Guess crew neck, green, with the logo right there. See right there, $4.99, size medium. Vintage Maserati crew neck. This is so fire. The screen print is super clean too. On this Playboy Jazz Festival tank top. Vintage Disney, Mickey T, Corona linebacker, 2 of them back to back, DKNY crew neck, and then this vintage USC. We'll see what I cop in all this. I'm not sure if these are real. The ape looks kind of off, like the tag. I'm not sure. We might still cop these. We shall see. I got this North Face jacket right here, super high quality. It's a high vent. The taxing, you're asking for 45. And then there's this vintage Levi's jacket right here, also taxing. 40? Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna go through this real quick. I'm not gonna lie, I had a pretty solid week. Let me just run through everything. Alright, let's start with these right here. The Air Max 270s in the white. They are a size 12. Picked them up for 35 bucks. Super good condition. Probably gonna try to get a trade for them because I want a new pair of kicks. And I want my size because these are a size 12 and I'm a size 11 or 10 and a half. And we got these right here. Flyknit Racer size 13 in the purple and like pinkish. Pretty good condition. I paid, you see right there, 10 for these. And then these right here, probably the craziest of the sneakers. Actually, these are probably the crazier ones because those are super new and I couldn't believe those were in the Thrift. But the Oreo 4s, size 10 and a half. Glad to have these back in my possession. I missed having these in my rotation. This is one of my all-time favorite pairs of J's, besides the Shadows. And then right here, you got the vintage Nike hat, Nike USA, and it does have a little Nike logo on the inside, if you can see right there. On the back, just covered by the little price tag. The dead stock Maserati crew neck. The, sorry, that got unfolded. The vintage New York Rangers tee. The vintage DKNY jeans New York. Vintage USC crew neck. These are bootleg, I think. I'm not sure. You guys could leave a comment down below, but the tag obviously doesn't look right to me. But it's a BAPE tee. You see right there, and then you got this second one right here too. Yeah, and then the vintage Guess crew neck, obviously super clean, super great embroidery. The vintage Mickey T Disney, very cool little colorway. I got 2 of these. The vintage Screen Stars Corona linebacker with the back screen print. You see right there, it says the same thing, Corona linebacker, and yes, ×2. And then the San Francisco vintage tee
with a little Asian stuff like bamboo and leaves, and I don't know what that says, but leave a comment down below if you know. The 2 bags, the Chanel, the strap on this one is really crazy. I forgot to record this in the thrift because I was gonna be late to barber school, but you can see right there, paid 10 bucks. Strap is crazy, so fire. And then this right here, not sure if it's vintage, but it is a bootleg Guess like fanny pack, and it's got Guess like embossed on the strap, so that's clean. This one right here is actually one of my favorite pieces from this haul. It's a vintage Pelly Pelly Mark Buchanan all over print. Crazy, so sick. I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow, so yeah, it'll be on my Instagram. Check out the fit pic. Right here, these are pretty clean. They're in my size too. See right there, vintage Nike, dope little logo, and just the overall print is pretty wild, so it's cool. And then this right here is just a vintage tee. It says for a healthier body, flexor size. Vintage Brooklyn Dodgers tee. Man, I found a lot of stuff this week. But all embroidered right there, and then you see the date right there, 1991. Very clean. And then this Palace tee right here for 99 cents. Crazy. And it's got the big back screen print. Then right here, the Grail. The vintage Gucci garment bag for like a suit. Super good condition. Y'all already saw it in the thrift, so don't really need to go through it, but yeah. I actually forgot to show you guys this one. Left it in my brother's room, but it's $1.99. The Public Enemy tee with the big screen print in the back. This is a pretty big tee. Yeah, size 2XL. But yeah, for sure scoop this. Don't think I passed. Yo, what's good, y'all? Please don't mind the fit. I know I got the Gucci on though. I got this just little tank top because your boy just got home from the gym. Straight to recording a haul for you guys because I want to get a trip to thrift out to you guys as soon as possible. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still in the works with Depop. If you don't know, follow me on Instagram. We're gonna try to get together like a little pop-up in the West Hollywood space. Yeah, I think that's it. It's time for me to get some sleep. It's super late right now. It's like 1 o'clock and I still gotta edit this video. It's 1 a.m. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift once again. I don't remember the number, but you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Bye.